Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this wall stud finder and I'm going to show you guys what this is and how it works. I did already open it up and put a battery in it because I was just having trouble with the battery, but here you go. This is how it works to put the battery in. You just put the battery, it's a 9-volt battery, pretty easy to do, and then you close it up. And then to turn it on, oh, it looks like it's got a plastic over it, so we can do that satisfying peel if it's satisfying to some of you. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see if I can grab it. There we go. Okay, hold the button here, turn it on, and we're gonna go show you, I'll show you how it works here. So you have the different settings here. You have 1/2 inch, inch, and 1.5 inch metal and AC. So that's just to show you how deep into the wall you're gonna be checking for stuff. So let's just say if we're gonna try 1.5 inches deep, we would put it on the wall, we push the button to calibrate, and then it's doing its calibration and it'll beep when it's ready. So there, it's ready. And then we slide it on and look, see it found some electric in there. So that's what the little button up there is for. So it found some, oh, and then we found a stud. So here's the one edge of the stud. There's the center and the other one. So we just go there. If we wanted to put a nail into the center of the stud, we have the center of the stud, which is kind of cool. So let me show you guys the other mode here. So this would be like the AC mode. So this is just gonna find wires in the wall if we wanna find some wires. I'm guessing it's going to do that. Oh, wait, I have to calibrate. So if I want to calibrate, I think I just push the button while it's in the air, and it calibrates. And then you can put it on the wall, and it'll find wires, which is correct for me because you see I'm over an outlet. So I'm sure the wires just go up and over. So pretty cool little device here. I like it. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Sorry about the dogs. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon.